Hello UNIG family, hope you are having a great day, whatever day you are seeing this video. So in today's job, I'm going to pressure wash this whole area and also show you how I struggled to clean that oil patch you are seeing on the ground right there. Yeah, it wasn't nice. Also, I wanted to mention that I am in the Amazon Associates program. So what that means is I will be placing links of the products I use in the description. Feel free to click it. What that does is if you buy anything through that link, the channel will be getting a commission for this. So yeah, buy as many items as you want. But on all seriousness, I do hope that you enjoyed the video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what you think of the video as well. It really does help the channel out a lot. So enjoy. Alright, so the tank finished. So I'll come back the next day when the tank is full. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna apply bleach on the areas I do so far. Alright. Alright, so in the last video, you already see I used some chemicals on this to get the stain out. So this is oil, these are oil stain from a car. It was here for a while now. The only problem is I tried using purple glass. Yeah, I tried using purple glass on the area, but it wasn't doing it. So, well, at least I think it wasn't doing it. Or I don't know if it is I was using it wrong or something. So I'm gonna try this. Alright, so the labeling kinda, you know, get rub off, but this is lye. For those of you who know about it, this is lye liquid. It's supposed to be able to take out heavy grease stains, especially grease stains this age, because this was here for some years now. So this is crystal pure lye. So we're gonna try that out now and see how it does. Alright, for the mixture, I mix 2 containers of the lye in this with about 3 gallons of water, and that's it. So we're gonna try that out. Now what we're gonna do now is I'll probably leave it for like about at least 15 minutes to set on the area, and then I will pressure wash it afterwards. So because I think the last time with the purple glass, I guess I didn't leave it long enough. So I'm gonna try it now and see if it will be doing something better now. Alright, so let's go and let that sit for about next 10 minutes and see what's the outcome. Alright, so I spent a good about 15 minutes pressure washing the hell out of it, and you only be able to see the results when the sun dry up the water and stuff. Yeah, there's some thick oil. Now bear in mind that this oil was here on this ground for like about some years, some good years. One thing to keep in mind, if you have an oil stain, the minute you know you have one, like you know you drop some oil one time and stuff, the best thing to do is to try to get rid of it one time, because if it stays there too long, it will be very hard to take out in the future. Well, I won't be able to stay long to see the results, but hopefully it works out good. Comment down below if you all know anything stronger that I could use, and probably I don't know if it's the way I use the method or something like that. Comment down below what you recommend, and yeah. So I done pack up already and looking to head out. And that, take care. Enjoy.